I got this Panasonic wet and dry shaver like 10 years ago, and as you can see it still works, but the battery is gone in the way that it still charges, but the battery charge isn't enough for more than 1 minute of shaving. So what I wanted at some point, when the battery degraded too much, to replace the battery, but I was too lazy, so that day did come eventually. So I will try to replace the battery on this. Long time ago I opened this shaver, and if I recall, it's not that much complicated. What I know is that battery is proprietary connection with pins. I recall that. That's why I never replaced it, because at that point of time I did lack knowledge to do a replacement. But that is not the case right now. Let's remove all these screws. There are 6. This is not really the best screwdriver for this job, but I don't have different type of screwdriver here at the moment. And these shavers are really good. I recall, and after this one I never got a shaver in this class. I mean, this was around 100 euros if I recall, and it really shaved well. The skin was like baby butt, but classical Panasonic, when you plug in the charger it won't work, which is really the shame. But that is a classical planned obsolescence tactic. They want you, when the battery die, to throw away the device and buy the new one, which is really the shame, because this model shaves really well. These batteries are basically the AA batteries, as you can see, and the major difference is also, I want to take a note: if you decide to pull this out and remove it, take care about this part, white plastic, because it is a part of the switch on and off. So the best thing is to just don't pull it out. Anyway, it seems I will need to remove it like this. I want to test AA battery first. The minus on the top, like this. Don't get confused that it doesn't work, because it is a proprietary. You probably can see that these pins aren't touching the bottom part of the battery, but it still doesn't work, because this unit have a fail-safe, and it's turned on, but when you move the pin to touch the battery, it won't work. So when you turn it off and turn it on, it works. So basically I will just put something inside here to force pins to touch the battery non-stop, and that's basically it. So this is in-home solution, really easy. I have these rechargeable alkaline batteries. I tested, they can be charged in this one. Hopefully they will work great. You can use classical batteries from IKEA, just rechargeable. You don't need anything special, just AA rechargeable battery. I got this, which I cannot charge in my classical charger, so I will use them in this one. It would be great. So minus on the top, plus on the bottom, like this. Now we need to create the spacers. I will take a toothpick. You cut the pointy part like this. And what you want to do is put it between plastic part in contact, not a battery in contact. You want to pull a contact to the battery. I will try to show you what I mean. But again, if you have kitchen aluminum foil, it is probably the best solution to just put it between battery and contacts. You want to pull contacts to the battery, like I did here. Do the same for the second battery. And as you can see, it works perfectly. Keep in mind that by doing this mod, you remove the rubber seals which were in this part here on the old batteries, and you use water protection. So at this point, this unit is not wet and dry shaver, so just a dry shaver. At least original commercial was that you can shortly submerge it in the water under the shower and something like that. At this point you cannot do that. You can clean the top part but not the bottom part under the water, so keep that in mind. I want to show you the old battery was quite a dead 1.2, 1.3. In the end, I changed my mind and decided to use IKEA lead batteries. They are the same technology of battery as the original one. I didn't want to risk with alkaline batteries. And these batteries need a bit of charge. Okay, I just tested the charging, everything is working as it should. We can start assembling the unit itself. And that's it. What I'm not sure, I'm getting a blinking notification that battery is empty. I will put it to fully charge it and see what happens. I found a user manual online for this shaver, and it say that when the battery is charging, this charger icon is lit on, but when it finishes it will turn off. So let's wait and see what will happen. And finally, charging finished. Everything is normal. When you turn it on, there is no blinking battery empty icon. Works great. I already tested it. I didn't record that because I was really lazy to get my recording gear in my small bedroom, but you will need to trust me on my word. Anyway, I'm really glad I recovered this one. I plan to gift it to my grandfather as a gift. So it is a great machine. It shaved a lot of my beard through the years. If you have similar shaver, you can recover it for really, as you can see, with a screwdriver and few batteries and few toothsticks. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. It means a lot for me, and until next time, see ya.